Yo guys, welcome to another video by Cape. It's me. And as you guys maybe saw, Bitcoin did a big crash during the last days, right? We basically crashed from 122,000 all the way down to 104,000 on this chart, but actually it went down to 102,000 on some exchanges. And yeah, pretty much everybody got liquidated. Everyone who was in a long position with leverage pretty much got liquidated because on the exchanges crashed. So it was the biggest crash in crypto history. Okay. But as you can see, we already had a pretty good bounce and Bitcoin is recovering. Solana is recovering as well. And also coins like Fartcoin are starting to recover pretty well. And what this all means for crypto is what I'm going to explain now, what my opinion is. So, pretty much, as you can see on this image, here you can see on the left side the COVID crash, right? We had a similar crash. This chart shows the I think this is the Nasdaq or something else. No, this is actually Bitcoin. This is actually Bitcoin. Back in the day, Bitcoin crashed significantly down to 3,000, which was a huge crash. And as you can see here, Trump's China tariff crash also caused a significant leg down in a short period of time. It was a really short crash. Okay, all of this happened in the realm of here. You can see this is 15-minute candle, so this all happened pretty much in like 45 minutes. In 45 minutes, it went down from 117 to 104 here, but 102 on some exchanges. So it also happened pretty quickly. And as you can see with the COVID crash, it was a pretty sharp recovery, which I think could happen here as well. Because also there is another thing which I want to show you. And we are probably going to see rate cuts by the Federal Reserve next month. Fed cuts October. Yeah, here you can see we now have 91% odds for a 25-point rate cut in October, which will be really bullish for the overall markets. So I think a sharp recovery is coming, and I think we still are seeing some pretty good entries here across the board. It might be like another short leg down, okay? But overall we're going to recover in my opinion. It also depends what's going to happen tomorrow when the stock market opens, because the stock market was closed during this chaos. So there might be a leg down on the stock market, but after that, like to liquidate some longs, after that, I think we're going to recover pretty sharply. And also, it was a really good, the crash was really good for the long term perspective of Bitcoin, because all of the longs, all of the longs that were sitting from these periods here, all of them, they got like liquidated quickly. You see this? You see how they got liquidated right here? So this was really good to have a big move up, right? If we want to have another big move to like 150, we needed this liquidation event to flush out all the leverage, all the people from here. So was a really important move, and it happens. Look, it happens often, but for big rallies, we have those flush outs. You can see it here. You can see it here. You can see it here. These flush outs are important, and yeah, I think it's going to be this scenario. and we're going to see rate cuts in October and probably in December as well. So guys, don't worry, don't be afraid. These are pretty good entries for the long term, and see you on the next video. If you want to stay updated, follow me on Twitter, and peace out, guys.